5 seconds. Start. This appeal has been preferred by the appellants challenging the order dated 22/11/2023, hereinafter referred to as impugned judgment, passed in criminal miscellaneous writ petition by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, Lucknow Bench. The writ petition filed by the appellant was dismissed by the High Court, wherein the High Court refused to quash a communication dated 9/6/2019 issued by Under Secretary to the State of UP to the Director, Crime Branch, Crime Investigation Department, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Respondent number 1 herein, and order dated 26/4/2021 passed by the Superintendent of Police, Agra, Crime Branch, AAD, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Respondent number 4 herein. The sole question arises of our consideration is the present appeal is whether, after submitting a final report under Section 173(2) of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 CRPC, also refer to Section 193(3) of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 BNSS, the police investigating agency can conduct further investigation under Section 173(8) of CRPC, also refer to Section 193(9) of BNSS without obtaining the leave of the magistrate court concerned. A fascicle of facts pertinent of the disposal of this appeal are that on 19/11/2013, as FIR was registered against 7 accused persons, including the appellant herein by Manoj Kumar, respondent number 6, hereinafter referred to as the original complainant for the offence punishable under Section 376D, 352, 504, 506 respectively of the Indian Penal Code 1860 IPC at Mahila Police Station, Sub-District, Sadar District, Firozabad. During investigation, owing to multiple applications moved by the original complainant alleging danger to his life and his family members' lives, the investigation was initially transferred from the Mahila Police Station to the Crime Branch, Firozabad, and subsequently to the Crime Branch, Mathura. After completion of the investigation, the investigating officer submitted the final report dated 30/4/2014, hereinafter referred to as the closure report, stating that no offence was made out against the accused person, including the appellant, hereinafter in light of the contradictions between the statements of the original complaints under Section 161 and 164 of the CRPC. After receiving the closure report, the Court of First Additional Civil Judge JD, Judicial Magistrate, Firozabad, issued several notices to the original complainant. However, despite the service of the notices, neither he appeared before the court nor he filed any protest petition against the closure report. The Court of First Additional Civil Judge J.D. Judicial Magistrate Firozabad, after considering the closure report, has accepted the same wide order dated 14/9/2015, noting that the material on record did not support the prosecution's case. Subsequently, after a span of about 3 years, the original complainant filed a criminal revision petition before the Court of District and Sessions Judge Firozabad for setting aside the aforesaid order dated 14/9/2015, wherein the closure report was accepted. The said case is presently pending before the Court of District and Sessions Judge Firozabad. In compliance thereof, the Under Secretary, Government of Uttar Pradesh, forwarded a communication dated 6/6/2019 to the Director, Crime Branch, Crime Investigation Department, Uttar Pradesh, CBCID, informing that in pursuance to the directions of the NHRC, it has been decided that the matter should be investigated by CBCID and further directing it to complete the investigation within a period of 6 weeks and submit a final progress report. With the approval of Director General of Police CBCID, an Inspector of CBCID was nominated for carrying out further investigation of the present case under Section 173(8) of the CRPC, and pursuantly the newly appointed IO filed an application dated 22/4/2021 before the Court of First Additional Civil Judge J.D. Judicial Magistrate Firozabad, seeking permission to conduct further investigation in the instant case under Section 173(8) of the CRPC. Thereafter, wide communication dated 26/4/2021, the Superintendent of Police, Agra, informed the Additional Superintendent of Police, Divisional Officer, Crime Branch, AAD, Agra, about the nomination of the IO in the present case, and also directed him to make available the special report relating to the further investigation in 10 days, the draft of the plan in 20 days, and the monthly progress report in the prescribed format to the headquarters on time, and complete the investigation as soon as possible and send final progress to the headquarters. In furtherance of the said investigation, the IO sent a notice to the accused persons, including the appellant, for the collection of their blood samples to conduct a DNA test, and their blood samples were collected. In this very judgment, this court, while noting that although there is no explicit mandate under Section 173(8) of CRPC to seek leave of the court before conducting further investigation, nevertheless, over the time, a practice has been developed to seek permission of the court. Therefore, the practice of seeking the leave of the code will have to be read into the provisions of section 173(8) of CRPC, and it is essentially to prerequisite for directing further investigation. Full stop.